Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to enable chat haze or chat bubbles on Messenger. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press a notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in open Messenger application, then get logged in. As I have already get logged in, you tap in profile icon on top left corner. Scroll to the down, you can see the option of chat haze. You tap in chat haze. As you can see, the button has moved. Now you can find chat haze on your mobile screen. Go back to the home page of your phone. As you can see a chat head of Messenger on your mobile screen. This is how you can enable your chat heads or chat bubbles on Messenger. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can easily enable chat heads or chat bubbles on Messenger. Thank you.